Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. I'm Mariam and today I'm going to show you how to make sheer kurma, a delicious dessert which is made out of milk, vermicelli and dry fruits. Sheer kurma basically means milk cooked with dates. This is why the dates are an important part of this recipe. This delicious dessert, it is mainly cooked by Muslims for Eid celebration. And the first time I tried this dessert was made by my mother-in-law from India, and I absolutely loved it. It is very simple to make and very delicious. Stay with me to see the list of ingredients and how to make it. Also, you can find the list of ingredients in English and Hindi in the description box below. And if you are not from India or Pakistan, if you are from UK like me, you can find these ingredients in basically any supermarket or any stores that sell Indian food. Let's start with the ingredients. The first and the most important step is soaking your dry fruits. You should soak them overnight or at least for a few hours. So I have here 30 grams of pistachio, which is already sliced, but you can use whole ones and then you need to slice them. 30 grams of cashew nuts, 30 grams of blanched almonds, but you can use also the ones with peels. As you can see, some of them are already sliced, but some of them are whole, and I will slice them. Here I'm using 6-7 dates. I chose to use soft dates, but if you will use dry dates, you will also have to soak them overnight. And 15 grams of coconut slices, which I have soaked in water as well. Besides this, you can also use raisins, but I'm not using because I don't like raisins. And also chironji seeds, but I did not find them in London. If you use them as well, you need to soak them overnight and then peel them. After soaking the dry fruits for a few hours, I drained the water, I pat them dry with some kitchen towels, and I chopped them. So here we have the pistachio, the cashew, almonds, the dates. I removed the seeds and I cut them into small pieces, and the coconut. The other ingredients for this recipe are about 2.5 liters of whole milk or full fat milk, 300 milliliters of sweetened condensed milk. Here I have 50 grams of roasted vermicelli. I'm using these ones, but if you are using normal vermicelli, then you will have to roast them in 2 tablespoons of ghee. And this is optional, but it gives a very good taste to the sheer kurma. It's 100 grams of fresh mawa. If you don't have mawa or if you don't find it, you can make it yourself. Check in the description box below how I made this mawa. It's very simple to make. Then I have here a bit of cardamom powder and a pinch of saffron. We will also need 3 or 4 tablespoons of pure ghee, pure butter ghee. So let's start our recipe of making sheer kurma. In a big pot, I have put the milk to boil and we will boil it for about 15-20 minutes on medium flame. In the same time, we are going to roast the dry fruits in ghee. We'll take a pan. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of pure butter ghee. Let it heat. And we are going to add in the dry fruits. The pistachio, the almonds, the dates, cashew, and the coconut. As I told you, if you would prefer, you can also add in some raisins. Now we are going to roast them on medium flame until they change color. Be careful, do not burn them, because then our recipe will be spoiled and it won't have the same taste. The milk has boiled and also our dry fruits are ready. Now we will add them in. Give it a mix. Now we will also add in the vermicelli. As I told you, if you don't find roasted vermicelli, repeat the same procedure as we did with the dry fruits. In a pan, heat 2-3 tablespoons of pure butter ghee and roast the vermicelli until it changes color. Mix it well. By the way, let me know in the comments if you like my mehendi. My husband made it, because I was not able to do it with my left hand. At my left hand I did it. Now we are going to add in the sweetened condensed milk. If you don't want to add this, then you will need to boil the milk more and you need to add sugar instead. And we will also add in the mawa. After you add in this, you need to mix it very well. For the lumps not to form. Mix it very well and boil all this for about 10 minutes or until the vermicelli is well cooked. After 10 minutes of boiling it, it's time to add in the cardamom powder and the saffron. We'll boil it on medium flame for 2-3 more minutes. As you can see, our sheer kurma is ready. It becomes thick and it smells incredible. Now we are going to cover it for about 25 minutes before it's time to serve it. Our sheer kurma is ready. I have put it in bowls to serve it, and I will garnish it with a bit of pistachio. And some saffron. It's best served hot, but if it remains to you, just keep it in the fridge and heat it whenever you serve it. Just as a tip, it tastes better the second day or the third day because it gets more thick. I hope you will try as well this amazing dessert. Let me know in the comments if you tried it, and see you next time. Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak.